Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve remove duplicates from sorted array. This question is most likely remove element, but here array is sorted. That is the difference. If you have not watched that remove element video from my channel, please go and watch. So then it's super easy for you to understand. So without a delay, let's start the question. So here given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, means ascending order. Remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. So the relative order of the elements should be kept the same. So here the question is simple. We need to remove the duplicates from sorted array. So let's jump into the example and see here nums array is having 1, 1, 2. So here 1 and 1 are duplicate. That's why need to delete 1, 1, and so the final nums array is 1, 2, and this element we are not taking care of. So our final output is 2. So we need to return the new length. So this is the question. Let's discuss about the approach to solve this problem. So here is our nums array. So at first we can think we can take one extra array and we copy only the unique elements. But in the problem clearly mentioned that we need to remove the duplicates in place. So we can't use extra array. So if you see the array is already sorted. That means duplicates are next to each other. So we use that property. With the help of two-pointer approach, we can easily going to solve this problem. So in the two-pointer, we'll take I and j. Here we start I from 1 onwards. Why? Because first element always unique. That's why we are starting I from first index onwards. So here we use I for scanning, and if we found out duplicates, then we will assign into j. That is the simple. So let's try to dry run this one with the pseudo logic. So as we discuss, we start I from 1 onwards because always first number is itself is a unique, and we traverse array and we check nums of I and nums of j. If nums of I is not equals to nums of j, simply we assign the element into nums of j and we have to increment the j value. So this is the simple logic. So at the end we need to return j plus 1. Why? Because j is an index. So j plus 1 will return the exact length. So this is the simple. In the beginning I is at 1 and j equals to 0. So we will check at the first index nums of I is 1 and not equals to nums of j, which is 1. So here the condition is not true. That's why we won't enter into this one. So after that we will I is at 2 and j equals to 0. Now I equals to 2 and j equals to 0. So in this case condition is satisfied. So before assigning nums of I into nums of j, first we have to increment. So I am just making this statement not here. So then now j value is 1. So now we are assigning at first index position 2. So now the final array is looks 1, 2. After incrementing I value, for loop got ended, and in the final we need to return j plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, 2, which gives the number of elements in the array. So this is the simple logic. Let's try to code for this one. So here I am taking j as 0. In the loop, starting from I equals to 1 plus plus nums of I not equals to nums of j. Simply increment the j and assign the value to j from I. And in the end we need to return j plus 1, which gives the length. Let's quickly run this code. Yeah, our solution got accepted. Let's try to submit this one. Yeah, all test cases got passed. I hope you understood the problem clearly. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.